And this is my room. As the color scheme is like a galaxy type, it has a blue, pink and purple. So I colored the cabinets blue and pink, and there's a house design over my bed, and this is my study table. It has enough space for me to write or like study or just draw. And I have 3 closets over here and 1 shelf where I could keep stuff, and I have kept my toys in the cabinets, and I have a mountain design type of thing. As the wallpaper is in the concept of a movie Frozen, and like in the title only you can see Frozen is ice, and in mountains there is snow and it's cold. And I have a little small desk for just playing, and then this is my whole room. So
myself is Nikhil, she's Meenakshi, my wife, and she's Akshada, my daughter. Together we stay at this flat which is at Prestige Shantiniketan. We got our interiors done